Hey guys, what's going on? It's Wednesday morning, coming at you with my daily 9 a.m. video. Before I get into this video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment below. Really trying to get to 700 subs by end of the month. I'm not sure if we'll get there. I think we're at like 625, 620-ish. So if you guys hit that subscribe button, it's much appreciated. Today I wanted to talk about Corsair Gaming. This is a top 5 position of mine. I currently hold 17 stocks. I'm a long-term investor. So this is really one I'm building out and believe in the future. Yesterday the market closed the stock at $26.85. That's basically the low it's been for a couple months at this point. So it's really hitting monthly lows just due to a lot of reasons. I'll get into that at the end of the video. Yesterday I did buy at $27.65. So I added a super small position, about 5% of my cost base of Corsair. I added about 5% in. The reason I did that was because the market had a massive sell-off Monday just due to all the Chinese panic and all that stuff and them going upside down over there and just a lot of negative turmoil going on in the news with China. So the whole market really pulled back like crazy Monday. So it did bounce back yesterday. So when I saw that bounce back, I'm not sold that it's done. I think it's going to keep correcting. We got a lot of big stuff in the government going on this week, next week, really the next 2 weeks. So there's a lot that can happen in the market. And I think it's more going away towards the downside than the upside. So if I'm wrong, I'm glad I bought a little bit to lower my cost base. However, I think it's going to go lower. And as it goes lower, I'm going to aggressively buy more and more. My cost base now is $30.75. So I'm still upside down 12.68%, which is fine. If Corsair goes to, let's just say, I'm really focusing on like the 6-month low break. So if it gets like $26.50, $26, I'm gonna buy way more aggressive than this because I really like this stock. If it's at $26, which would be a 6-month low, 52-week low, it'd be $14.09. I really don't think it's going to go there. The lowest I could see this stock going probably is like $24 to $26. That'd be my guess. Small caps are already destroyed in general, and this company, when you run its numbers for what you think it's going to do in the next 3 to 5 years, at least when I did, I really think it's going to be anywhere from a $60 to $80 stock. So as a long-term investor, that's a nice return from where we're at, which is right here. So, if it continues to sell off, I'm going to continue to buy. And as I buy, I'll make videos and let you guys know what I bought and what percentage of my portfolio. So if you're not in this stock or interested, buying it at this price is great. It's 12% lower than my cost base. And I bought yesterday even higher at $27.65. So that's my plan really. Just keep averaging costs down. The more it sells, the more aggressively I'll buy. Nothing fundamentally has changed in this company. There hasn't been really any big news in this stock for the past couple of weeks. It's kind of just the whole market selling off. So if it's going to do that, so be it. I have no problem buying more as a fundamental investor. Some recent news, obviously you got COVID scares, we got Delta and stuff like that. People are uncertain about the fall and winter as usually viruses flare up and stuff like that. So, we have to keep that in mind. A lot of people have uncertainty. Obviously, with everything going on in China, them cracking down on a lot of restrictions with like Didi ride sharing, Alibaba, which is e-com, kind of like Amazon. You have gaming getting cracked down, only 1 hour of video games per day if you're under the age of 18. There's you have the gambling getting restrictions, possibly getting pulled back. Wynn got destroyed. If you've watched my previous video yesterday, I said I got out of that stock 100%. If you want to hear why, just watch that video. It was yesterday. It was posted yesterday. So, really, small caps are getting destroyed because people obviously leave their most riskiest positions when the market's uncertain, which in theory, you should be really buying in that case, as long as the fundamentals haven't changed. People do the opposite. They rotate their money more towards large caps and safer companies. But in reality, when the market is, uncertain and in turmoil, your best opportunity for risk reward is honestly good fundamental companies with strong balance sheets that are in small caps. So it's kind of funny how things happen. People usually shift away from where they should be putting their money and then doing vice versa. So That's really all I got. I just want to say I bought Corsair Gaming yesterday, and it was I put 5% of my portfolio. I added 5% more. We'll continue to buy if it continues to go. I'll make another video if I buy something else. I'm definitely going to be shopping the market all week if it keeps going red. So that's all I got. Again, guys, trying to get to 700 subs by the end of this month. If you could just hit the subscribe button right there, it's much appreciated. Till tomorrow, peace.